Unboxing Pocket Beast booster boxes. Theo, On Chance, Big Cheese, Dwayne Johnstone, and we got a hollow Big Mom. Ayo, Zubat, Guido, Lome, Hotrot, and we got an Altart Slowman. Oh my god! Arthur, Zubat, Guido, Farquaad, and ooh! Okay, Rainer, Professor Goat, the OG. Lome, Spirito, Lamp, Poncho, and oh my god. We have Broccoli. Polysus, Natty, Smidge. Oh my god, yes! We got Chupai or Choopy, and we got a hollow King Krusty. Polysus, Meg Try, Orbi, Dina, and oh my god, yes! We got the shiny Whiteduck. Francis, Drowsy, Kaboops, Clawme, and okay, we got the alt art of Big Man. Let's go. Creep. Nidorunt, Go-Ghost, Many Tails, and no way, another alt art? Hello? Angie Frog? Let's go?